Here's how you can change the wrist orientation for your Pixel Watch or the Google Pixel Watch. Let's just say you are viewing the clock face like this here. You'll want to swipe down from the top center and look for the settings toggle here. And once you're in this area now, just go down until you see display. So some of you may have the latest update and you'll look for display. Within the display section, just go down past all of this here and you're going to look for wrist orientation right here. Now within this section here, you'll be able to choose whether you are wearing your watch on the left hand or on the right hand. And of course, it will adjust based on which option you go with. Going down a little bit now, you have whether the crown is going to be facing on the right or on the left, and you'll notice how that just rotated for you. So depending on which side you're wearing it, you want to set whether it's going to be on the left or the right side for where the display will be facing towards the crown itself. And yes, you can change these at any given time, like and sub.